In this program, we have to write a C program to check if the given number is prime or not. So let's start. Hash include studio.h int main int I and flag. ठीक है. And next printf enter the number scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. Now if loop, if n equal 0 and or n equal 1, then we have to write flag equal to 1. And now we apply for loop for I is equal to and I is less than equal to n divided by 2, then I plus plus. And here we apply if n mod I is equal 0, then flag should be equal to 1 and break. Now here if flag equal 0, then we have to print percentage d is prime, okay, or else may it is not prime. Print f percentage d is not prime, okay. In last we tried return 0. So let's run it. Fill flag G. So here it is asking enter the number. We enter number 5. So it is saying 5 is prime number. And now also it's one time over. Now this time we enter 15. So it is saying 15 is not a prime number. So guys, thank you for watching the video.